So my name's Catherine Maurer and I live in Lidditz, PA. We're new owners here and we knew that the roof was original to the house. So we had an idea that we would probably have to get some work done on it. We didn't know to the extent.
We had done some work for the previous owner on the same house where we were going out and patching a bunch of stuff. The roof was just at the end of its life, starting to fail, a lot of nail pops, shingles were starting to fall off, all that kind of stuff. So we had gone back a few times and just kind of patched it for that person.
So we wanted to have several different quotes because we thought maybe this would be a bigger project than we thought it would be. We used Joyland in our last house. We had some minor work done on our last roof and saw their trucks around our neighborhood, so we decided to give them a call.
And then Catherine called us and I was like, oh, I did work for her before. I actually did a job for her a couple years ago as a foreman.
Joyland was the only one that actually followed up and Caleb was great. He was very proactive and wanted to help out any way we could. We weren't necessarily going for a whole roof redo, but he definitely assured us that he would love to help us out in any way, even if it wasn't redoing the entire roof.
And so I went out there and evaluated, and basically they were looking to have a repair done because they only had a couple issues. Basically told her, like, listen, this has been happening for a few years now, and it's probably going to keep happening. I can do a repair for you. We can patch this up, but you'll probably hear from me again in like 6 months or a year when it keeps happening.
I really appreciated the communication, and I appreciated that just knowing that we had Joyland kind of in our back pocket, that they would do whatever we would need, whether it be just repair work or the whole roof reconstruction.
She reached out to me, she said, hey, listen, we want to pull the trigger, we want to get this done, we want to do it right and not have to worry about it anymore. Went out there and just touched up on a couple things, got everything together for them. They also chose to redo their gutters and their gutter guards while they were at it. And probably the most fun part of the project was coming up with the different color schemes. It's a huge, beautiful house. And so they took their time picking a color, as you should. You're spending a lot of money, you want to make sure you're happy. And then we were able to, with some of the trims and the gutter colors and everything, kind of come up with a really cool color scheme for everything. It ended up looking really, really sharp.
We were comfortable with Caleb because he did the work on our last house. We knew the quality of work and we knew the attention that we would get, and with a project this size, it did not surprise us how attentive Joyland was. All of the workers that came on our property really treated it with respect, and the amount of cleaning up and care that they took around our home it kind of blew us away. I wasn't really expecting that, but they did such a great job with that.
Well, the crew did a really good job. It was really, really windy, so we had like 3 guys on the ground at all times, chasing trash down and everything, but nothing got broken. Everything ended up looking really nice. It was smooth sailing.
I would recommend them highly because they do quality work. Their communication and their availability, attention to detail are all off the charts excellent. I also really appreciated that they were a local company, very close to where we live. It was more like a family type of interaction instead of like a big construction corporate interaction where we were just a number. We really felt that we were just well taken care of. So we really appreciated that, and the quality of work was excellent. I can't say enough good things, and we were so happy that we chose to go with Joyland over some of the other contractors we had met with.